Tucked into the low vegetation of the Puerto Escondido jungle, among neem trees and lush greenery, Casa Ohana finds its peaceful place to settle in. A winding path makes its way through the dense, tall foliage and is interrupted by a dramatic planting of mesquites and plumbagos, revealing for the first time a large structure with a roof that seems to float, casting both shade and a strong presence. In the background, the sound of crashing waves gives the feeling that the house is almost sailing. It really does feel like a ship anchored between the sea and the forest. The social area of the house sits on a large, elevated platform made of staggered concrete slabs, designed to capture views and breezes from every direction. A light roof floats above, extending out to protect from the summer rain and the winter sun. Between the sloped floor and the flat roof, a kind of tunnel is formed, speeding up the wind and helping cool the space in the coastal heat. This open area offers wide, unobstructed views and lets residents fully connect with the surrounding landscape. The house is made up of 8 independent volumes, spread across the property and divided between public and private areas. The total area is 810 square meters, including 70 square meters of open terraces. The private areas, with 9 bedrooms, take up 400 square meters. Unlike the open social spaces, the private areas are more enclosed, designed as nearly sealed-off volumes with just 2 carefully placed openings, one facing the ocean, the other looking onto a more secluded backyard garden. The material palette reflects the earthy tones of the landscape. That focus on natural materials also shows up in the structure itself, with exposed reinforced concrete beams and pillars forming the house backbone. Neutral tones and locally sourced tropical wood let the architecture stay in the background, highlighting the vibrant landscape and ocean views. The luxury of Casa Ohana doesn't come from flashy materials or over-the-top details. It's all about the simplicity of living in harmony with the environment. Cross-ventilation, ocean views, and small private gardens bring a sense of calm and privacy to each room. The house is designed to encourage peaceful coexistence with the jungle, the beach, and the sea.